Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Garth. Welcome back to another episode of the Streaming Academy. If you're new to the Academy, welcome. This is a brand new series on the channel where I'm going to help you guys not make the same mistakes that I've made over the last couple years posting content on the internet. So in today's episode, of course, we're going to be going over one of those things. It's episode 3, and we're going to be talking about one setting, literally one setting that is going to help you guys get better audio quality on your microphone. Now, if you've done your research, which I'm sure you have, especially if you've stumbled upon this video, you probably thought like you need to add some filters to your microphone. And yeah, you definitely do, but this is not that video, okay? So you probably added all these different filters and it's probably made your mic sound pretty good, but you're still not where you want to be. You don't have that Tim the Tap Man type audio quality yet. You've also probably gotten your decibel reader over here, right at the top of the yellow, right at the bottom of the red. Again, great job, but that's not the fix, okay? The fix here is going to be actually a PC setting, and we're gonna go to our control panel, open this up, and we're gonna go to our sound settings. Imagine that. So we're double clicking that. I'm gonna minimize this window real quick, and then go over to the recording tab here and find your enabled microphone. This is the one that your PC is picking up on, the audio input. This is the one that I am currently using. So I'm going to double click that and I'm going to go to my levels. So the fix, if your microphone is not set to 50 here for the level, if you are set at 100, change it to 50, video is over. If you guys want a quick demo, I'm going to turn this up and I'm going to talk a little bit lower than I was. And you can tell when we get up top here, I'm going to turn it down just to save your guys' ears. And I'm actually going to turn my gain down a little bit too. But you can tell at the top register of my audio, all of the audio it's tearing. It sounds awful. It sounds so bad. And this might be happening to you at certain degrees. It might not be to that extent that I was just showing you. But as soon as I turn this down to 50 and I turn my gain back up, so I'm landing right in between that yellow and red section, you can tell the audio sounds fantastic. Super clear, super crisp. Lots of different C words you could use to describe this type or this level of audio quality. But guys, that's the quick fix. Just change that setting in your actual PC settings. Audio quality is going to be beautiful. And I hope this video helps. If it did, be sure to leave a like so we can, defeat YouTube's algorithm, that monster. And if you're interested in more Streaming Academy content, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the streams if you guys are interested in hanging out as well. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.